Hey everyone! Today's recipe is easy, gets ready in no time, and is also super delicious. So let's get started. In a mixer grinder jar, I'm going to add one roughly chopped onion and grind it into a fine paste. In a pan, I'm going to melt some butter. After the butter has melted, I'll add finely chopped ginger and garlic and saute for a minute or two. Now add the onion paste that we had prepared before and again saute for a minute or two on medium to high flame. Now we'll add the vegetables, which are finely chopped French beans, carrots and green pepper. Give it a good mix. Add a tablespoon of oil if needed and saute until the vegetables are slightly cooked. I'm going to add one chopped green chili, but if you don't like it, you can skip it. Now add the boiled sweet corn. Add some cups of water and add the boiled sweet corn paste. Just take some boiled sweet corn in a mixer grinder jar along with some water and blend it into a paste. I'm also going to add some chopped coriander leaves. Add some freshly crushed black pepper powder, sugar and some salt as per taste. When it comes to a boil, add the cornflour slurry and wait for another 30 seconds to 1 minute and take it off the flame. And our veg sweet corn soup is ready. If you like this recipe, do tap the like button below. Share this video with your friends and family. Also do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such wonderful recipes. Hit the bell icon to get notifications every time we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking.